So I have the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and if you forgot to charge your Galaxy Buds, or maybe you're somewhere where you cannot be able to charge, you can actually use your phone as a power bank to charge your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So to do that, simply pick up the Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box of your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, connect one end to the Galaxy Buds, and connect the other end to your phone, and you'll notice the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are charging. Okay, so if your phone was charged properly, maybe it's at 100%. Mine is currently at 45%, but it is still going to charge my Galaxy Buds. Now, these ones have a small battery compared to the one in your phone, so you can charge them up completely, fully, several times without depleting your phone's battery, depending on, of course, which phone you have. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.